Friends, and welcome to Kiddos Koral. I'm Heidi, and today we're going to be making something that you can take to any family gathering or Thanksgiving get-together, and I promise you it's a no-fail recipe. This is my apple cider cake, and you make it in a bundt pan, so there's no layering or anything like that, and it's very simple and very delicious. Now, in this bowl, I just wanted to share, first of all, the entire recipe, and the amounts will be down below. There is ginger and cloves in the original recipe, which will be down below in the description box. But because I have a couple people that I'm making this for that cannot have those things, I'm leaving it out. So I do have cinnamon, however. I have all-purpose flour, I have baking soda, baking powder, salt, and I have sugar. And all I want to do is just combine all of my dry ingredients together just to make sure I have my sugar and baking powder all evenly distributed through, through the mixture. Let's get our wet ingredients combined, my dry ingredients all together as you've seen, and now I'm going to do my wet ingredients. I've got 2 large eggs. And I just want to make sure that I get them good and whisked together. I'm going to add in my butter. This is 10 tablespoons of butter. And I want to make sure, and I softened it. It wasn't quite room temperature, so I softened it in the microwave just a bit. And some unsweetened applesauce. It's about 3/4 of a cup. In my cup of apple cider. This is real apple cider that my dad picked up on his way home from Cape and Bridge. And I'm going to add that in here. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm going to have a glass of that before the day is over. But I'm just going to combine all of this, and then I'll come back and show you the rest of what I'm going to do. Okay, I went ahead and I plugged in my handheld mixer, and I'm bringing you over here to a different part of the kitchen. But I have all of my dry ingredients, and I have all of my wet ingredients combined. I just want to add this to my dry ingredients, and I want to incorporate it really, really well with the dry ingredients. I have my bundt pan here, and now the original recipe says just non-stick cooking spray, and my gut is telling me no, do it like your grandma told you. So I got some vegetable shortening here, and you do not want your cake to even risk, sticking. And so I find that the ultimate way not to have a cake that sticks to your pan is to grease the pan like your grandma showed you how. And that is with your hand and some vegetable shortening. And I'm going to grease this whole thing, and then I'm going to lightly flour it on the inside and shake the excess out. I have my bundt pan completely covered with shortening. You just want to do it lightly, and then add some flour, and then kind of bang it around inside the pan just to kind of lightly cover it. That just ensures that your cake is not going to stick. Now I'm going to give my batter just a quick little stir here because it's been sitting here for a couple minutes. Oh gosh, that smells amazing. It smells like fall, guys. So I'm going to pour this into my bundt pan. Okay. I'm going to pop this into the oven. I'll be back to show you what it looks like when it comes out. I'm so excited about this because when my parents come home, the house is going to smell fantastic because this is going to be so good. Okay, my apple cider cake just came out of the oven. It smells really, really good. It turned out on the plate very, very easily. It did not stick, which I am so happy about. You kind of hold your breath because things do happen when you are baking a cake. but it did come out really, really well. I was going to put it on this big thing here, and then I decided no, I would just go with a simple white plate, and that's what I'm doing. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to let this cake cool completely. There is a topping that you can make, and that will be part of the recipe down below in the description box. But there is the thing that I like to do, because my dad loves cake, but he doesn't like really, really sugary, sweet stuff, and I will just dust this with powdered sugar. It looks pretty, and it seems to please everybody, just being simple like that. The other thing is I wanted to say, if you all have ever eaten apple cider donuts or been somewhere where they are making apple cider donuts, this is what this smells like and tastes like, an apple cider donut. So, I cannot wait to dive in on this, but thank you so much for watching. I will insert a little video clip here at the end after I put some powdered sugar on this so you can see what it looks like. But thanks again for watching this video. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Let's see, what else do I want you to do? Oh yeah, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you be part of my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that these recipes help you come up with some neat ideas for your family gatherings. Let me know if you make this recipe. I promise you won't regret it. It smells good. It smells like fall, and I cannot wait to dive in. Thanks so much for watching.